Our cooperation is a true public-private partnership. The public side sets direction and provides funding for mission-aligned initiatives. Copenhagen Fintech brings market signal, the founder pipeline, and the ability to execute with industry speed. We co-design work plans, share KPIs, and keep governance tight so resources translate into jobs, exports, and adoption, not reports. It's pragmatic. Regulators get a front view of innovation, companies get supervised pathways to pilot new tech, and we act as a neutral orchestrator. In short, the public driver de-risks early steps, and we convert that into measurable outcomes for Denmark and for the Nordics. We played a convening and drafting role in the recommendations for Denmark's national fintech strategy process. Our policy forum brought together unions and industry associations, but also incumbents, startups, investors, and academia to surface priority and evidence. We coordinated founder and corporate input, stress-tested proposals with international peers, and translated them into a coherent set of recommendations in this publication. Our job was to keep the strategy grounded in real challenges that needs to be solved with very concrete initiatives. Our involvement centered on turning ecosystem needs into clear, actionable recommendations. The strategy focuses on fintech as a growth and job engine, talent and continuous upskilling and reskilling, anchored by university partnerships, supervised innovation around AI, open finance, and tokenized money as an example. Better access to risk capital aligned with Europe's capital market agenda, internationalization as the default for Danish and Nordic solutions, and a strengthened platform like the Nordic FinTech Center to connect research, entrepreneurship, and industry. The through line is simple: translate initiatives into firms, exports, and high-quality jobs. We built a compounding platform. Nordic FinTech Week is now the largest and most international fintech forum in the Nordics. Our lab, the Copenhagen Fintech Lab, hosts 50+ companies at any given time, and our programs consistently compress time from idea to pilot to customer. Startup gain access to capital and the first international clients. Incumbents de-risk adoption through supervised pilots, and regulators get a practical feedback loop. Just as important, we've elevated Denmark and the Nordics on the global map, creating two-way bridges to Asia, Europe, and North America that feed talent, partnerships, and investments back into the ecosystem. First, orchestration, like a neutral convening power to align banks, fintechs, regulators, unions, and universities around concrete problems. Second, translation. Turn policy and technology like AI, open finance, digital identity, tokenized money into supervised pilots, skills pathways, and toolkits that organization can actually use. Third, evidence. Data, impact measurement, and storytelling that prove what works and help scale it across regions. Wrap that with international bridges and operational excellence, such as events, labs, programs, and you have a resilience engine that moves a region and a country from ideas to outcomes.